Right now, you are completely invisible to local customers, losing high-paying leads every single day to competitors who aren't even half as good as you are. Why? Because getting ranked in the Google Maps top 3 pack feels practically impossible. And the moment you try to fix it, Google's automated bots slap you with an instant, unexplained suspension that kills your business for months. It is incredibly frustrating to deal with this broken loop. But it's not your fault. Google drastically changed the rules. In this video, I'm giving you the exact, trust-first blueprint to safely build your profile, completely bypass the ban triggers, and force your business to rank right at the top. Let's dive in. Step 1 is where 90% of business owners completely blow it, building your pre-launch trust footprint. Most people jump straight onto the Google Business Profile website, type in their name, and hope for the best. Do not do that. If you try to create a profile before the rest of the internet even knows you exist, Google's algorithm treats you like a pop-up scammer. We need to build a digital breadcrumb trail first. See, the algorithm instantly cross-references your new map submission against its massive search index. If your domain and matching citations don't exist anywhere else yet, your internal confidence score drops to 0, triggering an instant spam filter. To bypass this trap, set up your website first. It acts as your digital anchor. Put your name, address, and phone number, your NAP, clearly in the footer. It must be a perfect mirror effect. If your website says Suite 200, but your Google profile says Suite 200, that tiny mismatch creates algorithmic friction. Google gets nervous, and a nervous Google does not rank you high. Keep it character for character identical across your website, Facebook page, and Apple Maps listing. Once your site is live, drop it into Google Search Console and request indexing, so Google's core engine recognizes your domain's association with your address. Finally, enforce a 1 to 2 week cooling period. Let your digital footprint age. Giving the crawlers time to index your site and citations means Google will already have a memory of your business in its database, making you look completely legitimate the moment you finally hit create. Now that your digital footprint is ready, go to google.com/business and click Manage Now. Log in using the exact same Google account linked to your Google Search Console. This carries over established digital trust, reducing your automated suspension risk right out of the gate. Next up is your business name. Now, having a core keyword like roofing contractor inside your official business name is one of the single heaviest local ranking factors in Google's algorithm. It instantly maximizes your relevance score. But if you just stuff it into the text box here without legal backing, Google's automated spam filters will permanently suspend your account before you even finish the setup wizard. The only safe, legal way to use a keyword in your name is to make it your official, legal business name before you register. If your company is registered as Smith Enterprises, do not type Smith Enterprises Roofing Contractor. Instead, you must officially file for a DBA, a doing business as, or register a legal entity name like Smith Roofing Contractors with your government office. When you have the official government documentation matching that keyword-rich name exactly, you can type it into this field with 100% safety. If Google's algorithm triggers a routine check, you simply upload your legal business registration and your profile is instantly cleared. Once your name is set, you must select your primary category. This is another critical lever for your ranking. Google gives you thousands of options, and you must pick the single hyper-specific category that matches your core revenue driver. Do not choose a massive general label if a precise one exists. If you handle roof installations, do not just pick contractor. Select roofing contractor. This tells the algorithm exactly when to pull your map pin into local search results. Next, the setup wizard will ask if you want to add a physical location that customers can visit. If you operate a brick-and-mortar storefront or rent a dedicated office with permanent, public-facing signage, select yes. If you sublet space or operate as an independent consultant inside a shared business complex, you are legally eligible for a dedicated listing under Google's individual practitioner guidelines. To keep this safe from suspension, you must meet 2 rules. You must be in a public-facing role, and you must be directly contactable at that specific address during your listed hours. If you use a co-working space, it must be staffed during your hours, and your brand must be visible. If you do not have a physical storefront, permanent signage, or a staffed office, select No. You will register as a service area business, which safely hides your home address from the public while letting you explicitly define your specific service boundaries. Once you make your selection, you can immediately boost your profile's ranking strength by filling out your services list and products list. Do not use broad general descriptions. Explicitly break down your services into individual entries, like emergency roof repair or asphalt shingle installation, and write descriptive, keyword-rich overviews for each one. To capture massive real estate on the local map results, map your core services out as products inside the dashboard as well, linking each one directly to a hyper-relevant service page on your website. Stacking these complete optimization signals tells Google you are highly relevant, forcing your profile above incomplete competitor listings right from day one. Once your base settings are handled, the wizard brings you to the core optimization fields. This phase directly feeds Google's relevance pillar, which dictates how closely your profile matches high-intent local search terms. Completing every section ensures Google feels confident showing your business over half-baked competitor setups. First, set up your phone number and operating hours cleanly. Keep these hours updated, especially for holidays. Next, do not leave your business description blank. Write a clean summary between 300 to 400 words detailing exactly what you do and who you serve. Weave your primary services and city location into this text naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing, as the text needs to read smoothly for human customers while signaling relevance to the search crawlers. From there, map out your services list. Instead of picking generic categories, build hyper-specific individual service entries. Google allows up to a 300-character descriptive overview for each service you perform. Take the time to fill this out for every service, weaving popular local search terms right into the paragraph text. Finally, use the products list layout as a secret ranking lever. Even if you are a strictly service-based business like a plumber, roofer, or consultant, list your core services as products inside the dashboard. Add photos and structured descriptions to these items and link each product button directly to its hyper-relevant landing page on your website. Stacking these highly granular relevance signals captures massive visual real estate on the map and boosts your visibility immediately. Let's save these updates and step into the final phase. Now that your profile is verified, do not make the mistake of setting it and forgetting it. Google tracks real-time user behavior patterns like calls, clicks, and requests for directions to determine your ranking. If your profile goes dead, your rankings will drop. To beat established competitors, you need to stack constant activity signals. First, stop using glossy stock photos. Google's AI knows they aren't real. Snap raw pictures on your phone at your job site or office and upload them weekly. Data shows that profiles consistently adding real native photos get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more clicks than those using stagnant stock media. Then build a consistent review velocity. Getting 50 reviews in one day and then going silent for 6 months looks like spam. Instead, build a steady habit of asking every single customer for feedback immediately after a job. Prompt them to naturally mention the specific service and city in their text, and make sure you reply to every single review promptly to signal to Google that you are highly active. One final warning: once your primary category is locked in and ranking, leave it alone. Making sudden, frequent changes to your core categories or business name after verification can instantly trip a security wire and trigger a manual re-verification or an immediate ban. Keep your profile stable, keep the engagement signals active, and watch your business climb to the top of the local 3-pack. To win the local 3-pack, you need consistent positive reviews. But avoid review gating. Blocking negative ratings is explicitly banned by Google and can get your profile permanently deleted. In the US and Europe, it's legally consumer fraud. To keep you safe, I built a free routing tool on my website. Just input your details, grab your custom QR code, and print it out for your counter, trucks, or invoices. When a customer scans it, the page gives them a clean path to share their experience. If they select a low rating, the system routes them straight to a private feedback form for management, so you can resolve the issue immediately. To stay fully compliant and prevent account suspension, the page still includes a small optional link allowing them to go directly to Google if they choose. Meanwhile, happy customers get an effortless one-click button routing them straight to your public Google Business profile to leave a 5-star review. Because it's structured as a customer service recovery funnel instead of an illegal gate, you get to effortlessly stack the consistent, keyword-rich reviews you need to crush your competitors while staying 100% compliant. Grab your free QR link in the description below, and let's move to the next step. A massive myth in local SEO is that your Google Maps pin operates completely independently from your website. That is completely wrong. Your map listing is actually only as strong as the website attached to it. Google's algorithm reads user intent and prominence through web relationships. When you drop your profile link into your dashboard, that website becomes your digital anchor. If that anchor has no local optimization, your map pin stays buried. But when your profile points to a website optimized with structured local schema and local industry backlinks, your domain authority acts as a permanent, organic rank booster for your map pin. To capitalize on this, stop linking your profile to a broad, generic homepage. If you want to rank for a high-intent term like emergency plumber in Dubai, you need to build a hyper-relevant, dedicated location page on your site. This means creating a specific service plus location landing page that clearly states exactly what you do, where you do it, and what the customer needs right in that exact moment. Once that location page is live, don't link your Google Business profile to your homepage. Link it directly to that hyper-relevant landing page. To supercharge this setup, look at your top 3 mapping competitors and pull their backlink profiles. Find the local business directories, Chamber of Commerce sites, or industry blogs that link to them, and acquire those exact same backlinks for your own site. When Google sees your location page stacking geographic trust signals and local relevance, it passes that authority straight to your map listing, forcing your pin right to the top of the local 3-pack. And that is the exact blueprint to rank your profile cleanly without hitting a single suspension trigger. Go down to the description, use my free tool to lock in your custom QR funnel, and get your website indexed right away. Stacking these trust and relevance signals is the only way to dominate your local market. If this step-by-step guide saved you some major headaches, hit that subscribe button, drop your business type in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.